Hello, my name is Benjamin. I am 75 years old. I am the Prime Minister of Israel. My life has been long. My life is a journey. Many lessons are in it. I hope to share them. They are truly vital. My long life had years. I served my country well. I faced great challenges. I made hard decisions. In this series, you will learn from my life. You will learn about politics. You will learn about leadership. This story is simple. The words are very easy. You can learn new words. You can practice with me. Welcome. Let us begin. I will tell my story. I hope you learn well. I hope you enjoy it. My family lived simply. Our family was small. My brother became a hero. My father was a scholar. I was born in Tel Aviv. Childhood was very happy. I played with my friends. We ran in the streets. Then we moved to America. It was a new country. I learned a new language. The culture was so different. My father taught me much. He taught me about history. He taught me about the past. He taught me our people. I learned to be strong. I learned to be curious. I loved to read books. I loved to ask questions. My time in America was a special chapter. I grew up a bit there. It shaped my whole life. We returned to Israel. Our home was so special. My love grew stronger. My country was my love. I joined the army. I was a young man. I fought for Israel. I served my country. The army taught me discipline. It taught me teamwork. It showed me how to lead. It was a great school. Studying was very hard. I attended university. I returned to America. I chose a great school. I learned about business. I studied management. I learned many subjects. Learning was my joy. I enjoyed my studies. They were a big challenge. I did well in class. I finished with a degree. My education was important. It opened many doors. It gave me new skills. It helped me later on. I thought about the future. What would I do next? I felt a strong calling. I wanted to serve. I learned to think. I learned to plan. I learned to be precise. My mind became sharp. I read many books. They were about politics. They were about history. They gave me new ideas. My time at college was a very big step. I was a student. I was a young leader. My studies brought me knowledge. New ideas came to me. I came back home. I was ready for work. I became a diplomat. My work was in America. I spoke for our country. That role was very important. My mission was so clear. I represented Israel. I spoke to the world. I explained our position. I met many leaders. I met many new people. I learned about diplomacy. I learned how to speak. My voice was strong. I was a good speaker. People listened to me. I had a good mission. I traveled all over. I visited many places. I saw new cultures. I learned from everyone. This job was my school. It taught me so much. It prepared me well. It showed me the world. I saw the big picture. I saw the global stage. I saw my country's place. I saw its big future. I worked very hard. I worked for peace. I worked for security. I worked for my home. I knew my future was in serving my people. I had to go home. I had to join politics. I returned to Israel. I joined a new party. I started my campaign. I spoke to our people. I spoke on television. I gave many speeches. My message was direct. People understood my words. I became a minister. My career started fast. I had new responsibilities. I had a new job. I learned about government. I studied policy. I learned how to lead. It was a big change. I worked with other leaders. We built a new team. We had the same goals. We worked for the people. My responsibilities grew. The challenges were big. The pressure was high. I handled it well. I had a strong vision. I wanted a better economy. I aimed for a safe nation. I wanted a strong state. The people trusted me. They liked my ideas. They supported my plans. My career was rising. I was very young, but I was ready. I was a new leader. My time was coming. I became Prime Minister. The work was so hard. The country faced threats. The duty was nonstop. I made many decisions. Those choices were hard. The world watched me. My nation needed me. I faced many critics. They did not agree. They questioned my actions. They made my job hard. I had to be strong. I had to be brave. My stand had to be firm. I did not give up. Every day was a fight. I fought for our security. I defended our future. I fought for our peace. Sometimes I was wrong. I made some mistakes. I learned from them. I tried to do better. The challenges never stop. They are part of leadership. You must be very strong. You must stay the course. I had to compromise. I had to negotiate. I had to be smart. This is what I did. I did it for my country. I did it for my people. The job was a duty. It was my calling. An attack came suddenly. It was a dark surprise. Our people were hurt. It was a terrible day. The attack was cruel. It came from a group. They wanted to kill. They caused great pain. I felt a deep anger. My nation was sad. Our country was attacked. We had to react. My main goal was clear. Protect my own people. We had to fight back. We had to defend them. I made tough decisions. It was a big burden. The world watched us. We had to be strong. Our army had to act. The response was quick. We needed to defend ourselves. We had to be very firm. Our people needed help. We had to be united. We had to stay strong. We had to have courage. This was a new war. It was for our survival. We had to win. We had to be ready. My duty was my guide. I had to protect Israel. I had to lead my people. I had to be a leader. The war was a challenge. It was a long fight. The city was complex. It was a great danger. We had to be careful. The enemy was hiding. They hid among people. The situation was hard. Our soldiers were brave. They fought for our nation. They defended our home. They fought for our future. Many lives were lost. It was a great sadness. The war was painful. We want peace to return. The world does not know all the real facts. The reality is complex. The truth is not simple. We work to find peace. It is a slow process. There are many dangers. We face them every day. We want a better life. We want a better future. We want a peaceful end. This is what we seek. It is a great challenge. It is a hard part. I do it for my nation. I do it for my home. I had to lead our people. I had to be strong. I had to stay firm. This was my great duty. The world was watching. Many people were angry. They protested our war. They did not agree. They questioned our actions. They made my job hard. I had to explain. I had to be very clear. I met with many leaders. I spoke about our war. I told them our story. I shared the truth with them. Diplomacy was complex. Negotiations were difficult. We wanted to be safe. We wanted a good deal. People were unhappy. They protested in the streets. They did not agree. I felt their anger. I always stood my ground. My principles were strong. My mission was clear. I did not get lost. The world is not easy. It is full of opinions. I listen to all. I follow my path. I know not everyone will understand my choices. I know they are tough, but I made them. My duty is my compass. I am here to serve. I will always protect. I will always lead. My vision is for Israel. It is a strong, safe nation, a technology leader, a beacon of progress. Security is a must. Our army must be strong. We must protect our people. It's our primary duty. We need a good economy. Our people need jobs. They need a good life. It is our second duty. We must have new friends. We must make new alliances. We must work with others. We must have peace. My dream is a future where Israel is safe. Israel is strong. Where Israel is respected. This vision is my guide. It tells me what to do. It shows me what to say. It tells me who to be. The vision is for everyone. It is for our children. It is for our grandchildren. It is for all time. We are a small country, but we have a big soul. We have a big purpose. We have a big future. I will not stop working. I will not stop dreaming. I will not stop leading. I will not give up. Life is a long journey. I have learned a lot. Every day holds a lesson. Learning never stops. Leadership is about trust. You must trust them. They need to trust you. That is how you win. Life is about service. Serving your people is key. It is the highest honor. It is a great purpose. My life has been full. It has been a wild ride. I have no regrets. I am very grateful. My family helped me. They were always there. They gave me support. They were my rock. My people have faith. They have so much hope. I have faith in them. I have hope for them. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. I hope you learned much. I hope you enjoyed it. Shalom. Goodbye for now. I wish you good luck. I wish you success. I wish you much happiness. What is your favorite part? Which lesson from Netanyahu helps you most? How will you use his story? Tell us in the comments. We want to hear from you. If you like this video, please like and share it. Subscribe for more easy English stories. Thank you for watching. We're happy to help you learn. Remember this always. I will always serve. I will always protect.